Oh, hey everybody. Hi. This is Lisa. I'm not sure if you remember who I am, but yeah, I'm the one that started Pressure Crisp and fell off the wagon, but we're back. We are in, well, cloudy, usually it's sunny Arizona, on a travel nurse assignment out here. And I am recovering from the COVID, and I still don't have internet, so yeah, I'm going to Colorado for 2 weeks to recuperate. And I do have Starlink, so I'm gonna fire that up to upload this video. But today, we are making, I picked up a boneless chuck roast, and I found this chorizo seasoning at Sprouts. If you come across the Sprouts, pick this up. I've made this dish before, and it's very, very good. So yeah, let's just jump right in and start since you have me. So we're gonna be using the one lid today. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on. My lighting is terrible, everybody, but whatever. We're gonna keep it on sear saute and we're gonna hit start. I just wanna warm up this bowl so we can brown that meat. And I am going to, just a few sprays of oil in there so that can heat up. All right. Alrighty, so we're just going to, I've made this before, so what I'm going to do is actually cut it up into pieces. This is a 2-pound roast, and I'm going to remove some of this larger fat stuff. Fat stuff, I love my language. And my good knife is actually out in my little trailer, so you'll see that in the next 2 weeks, but I forgot to bring it in. I should go out and get it, but I'm not going to. All right, then new bowl. And I'm working in a limited kitchen, so yeah, we're just gonna cut this up into chunks. And this knife is adequate. It's not the best knife in the world, but you guys know that I'm a firm believer, use what you have. And I'm cutting this into chunks because I want it to cook up quicker. There we go. Plus we're gonna get more brownage too. There's a hunk of, let me take that out. So it was like 2.1 something pounds, so it is going to bring it down to like 2 pounds. All right. That's good. To this, we're just going to add some salt and pepper. Might add a little bit of garlic. This is just some granulated garlic. And you use whatever you have. I'm just using my hand. Just going to coat all sides of this. All right, so we're going to go over to the foodie. And that's what we want to do. So we're not cooking meat, we're just browning this meat up. There we go. This time, I'm actually going to chop up an onion to put in with the meat when we start cooking it. So I'm just going to make some big cuts here. And that's all we're going to do. And this is the seasoning we're using right here. Now it says to mix with a little bit of water. I'm only going to use a tiny bit of water because I had too much juice left over the last time. I'll put that in there. Just going to use huge chunks of it. There. So I'm using a 1/4 cup of water. This stuff is really, I'm not going to tell you how good it is. It's really good. There we go. Yeah, this is making like a thick paste, which is fine. fine and dandy. All right. And we also need a couple of fresh limes. Okay? All right, this is browning up nicely. All right. All right, I got the onion and the jalapeno. Use a couple limes. Actually, I'm gonna use a couple limes here. Work. 2 limes in here. Let's take that thick mixture, pour it over the top. Oh, yeah. This is going to be so good. Give everything a stir. You might have to add just a little bit more water. I don't want to add as much as I did last time. But look at this. Oh yeah, this is going to be good. A couple more tablespoons of water. That's it. I'm going to go ahead and put a cover on this. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this. So that's ending the sear saute. Takes a bit now. I'm going to slow cook. We're going to keep it on high. I'm going to leave it set for 6 hours. I don't know if it's going to take that long because I'm using much smaller pieces this time. And I'm going to hit start. We're going to come back in a few hours and check this. And yeah. So, this is what I wanted to tell you. What I am actually going to do, we're going to make some homemade flour tortillas. That's probably going to be a separate video. And we're going to be making the chorizo beef tacos. Yeah. All right. All right, so I'm just going to pour this in here. And we're going to shred up the beef and then add it back to the pot. So I'm going to take 2 forks and just shred this up as best I can. And this is like super spicy, so if you guys want to tone it down, only use 1 packet of the chorizo seasoning. But this is super good. I wish I got 2 churros because I would have doubled up this and invited the whole crew here. There we go. Just want to keep it warm. And you know something? This is delicious. Delicious. I can't even talk. All right, you know something? Let me just pick some up today. All right, here's my taste tester for the evening. This is a fellow traveler. Let me see if I can set her up. Oh wait, we gotta look at her tacos first. Oops, didn't put any pickled onion on yet. She's working it. Oh, don't forget your squeeze the lime.
Cilantro.
Oh yeah, I got cilantro right there too.
God, you're just all into it here.
Hey man, I gotta do it. Oh, something to drink. All I have is, you want a whiskey?
Yeah. Actually, some water to start with. You're making me nervous.
I got Diet Coke too if you want that.
Like just a whole Mexican restaurant here.
Well, those you can make ahead of time. It's fat. Don't forget the sour cream.
Oh, yes.
There's guac too. I didn't make it. I was too lazy.
Next time I go to Costco, I need to buy the little individual ones that I can.
Yeah, because I can't eat that whole thing.
Yeah.
Taste tester.
Here we go.
Here goes nothing.
Taste tester.
I hope she likes everything.
Well, I'll love it, I'm sure.
Good luck.
Just get over the hot spice.
It's alright, it'll be good. Let's see, does she like it? Does she like it?
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be too spicy for her. No?
Not yet.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Not yet, unless it's going to kick me in the butt in a second.
Well, I think putting stuff on there, it kind of douses it out.
Yeah, no. Tastes good.
Awesome.